Ursus. From a sibling of 1m60 level horse Giraldo L. Ursus comes from the first crop of the Scopy stallion Drummer 2000 TN, who is a sibling to both Don't Touch TG Hero and Akarat Hero Z. On the dam side, this colt represents the valuable Sina dam line, and his dam is a half-sister of the international 160 level competing Giraldo L, ridden by Mshivoy Kikon. Great-granddam Versina I is a half-sister to Christine Tripple's Grand Prix show jumper Ladidor, and from this direct branch of the Sina dam line also originate 150 and 160 level horses such as Tursina, Dundas VDM and Berkeley III.